I'm willing to replace this reverse camera with something like this. In theory, this just should go into the place where your number plate light is located. So I can see here a small problem. If you put it to its place, there is no space for this wire here. Now I'm thinking just to drill a hole on the opposite side, just right there, and put the wire through. Okay, I drilled a hole right here. So in my case, to get to these cables, I need to remove this plastic cover. How to wire this correctly, I'm going to put the link in description from my other video where I was installing Android car stereo, and there you can find the explanation. In my case, I'm just going to replace this with the wiring from new camera. Alright, it's not fitting well. I will have to cut a bumper here, this piece right there, just a little bit, so it will fit. I think it's okay. Not perfect, but fine. Now this one goes to the camera, and this one goes to your screen. Now I need to replace old red cable with new one. Okay, reverse. It's working. Now let's put this all back together.